Hello and welcome to my healing space. Today I'm going to show you how I do the Hua Tuo Jia Ji acupuncture treatment. Alright, get your green juice ready for some dope content on mind, body, and spirit health. This is The Naked Healer. Okay, let's get into it. Today, my patient is a 33-year-old woman with a history of digestive and thyroid problems who recently had a baby and has been suffering with fatigue, general muscle aches, pains, and moodiness. We normally do treatments on her front, but today she asked for a back treatment, so I did something extra special for her. Instead of addressing each organ system that's imbalanced, which would require more than 2 hours of her time and a whole lot of needles, I did something that I knew would restore her mental and physical health quickly, the Huatuojiaji treatment. This treatment dates back to the Han Dynasty and was made famous by a respected doctor and one of the first Chinese surgeons named Hua Tuo. The technique is commonly used in Japanese-style acupuncture techniques as a kind of reset button for the body. This particular acupuncture technique is said to dredge the channels, promote the flow of qi, regulate the yin and yang, and activate the governing and the urinary bladder meridians, which both run along the posterior of the body. The 56 Hua Tuo Jia Ji points run about a ½ inch parallel to the spinaeus processes. However, I did not needle all of them today for the sake of time. I can tell you about a great session I had with someone in the past who insisted on a complete Hua Tuo Jia Ji treatment outside in full sun so that they could receive the benefit of the sun's healing energy along with the needles. It lifted their mood and took their back pain away immediately. It was wonderful, and my patient's mental and physical health were greatly improved after that particular session. So, as you can see, I applied her needles, allowed her to rest and get comfortable for 10 minutes, then use smokeless moxa stick to warm the points and relax her mind. The stick I'm using is made of rolled mugwort and a special charcoal that won't set the fire alarms off. FYI, moxibustion is almost as important as the needles to some acupuncturists, although not everyone uses it because of fire regulations and codes in the office buildings. Oh, and it kind of smells like weed burning a little bit. Anyway, we use the herb mugwort because it activates the channels, stops pain, and the smell is really earthy and relaxing. I'll do another video on moxa because I could have done a whole lot more with it, like roll it up and burn it right on the needles so that the heat really penetrates her body. There's a big difference between getting a treatment with it versus without it. If I really wanted to take her treatment to the next level, or if she had nerve pain or severe muscle achiness, I could also add electric stimulation directly to the needles, which would help speed up her healing and add an analgesic effect. But that'd be overkill because I usually do some massage point work with all my treatments, and that'll be enough in her case. So that's Hua Tuo Jia Ji. I'd say request it at your next acupuncture visit, especially if you're going through something emotional, something physically draining, or you're in transition to something major in your life. It'll help give you that physical reset that you need to jumpstart change. Alright, that's it. Please post any questions you have about acupuncture or the Hua Tuo Jia Ji treatment down below. Message me if there's a topic you'd like to cover. And please like, subscribe, and share. Peace.